Hello guys, so this is what happened in college vlog number 8. So enjoy watching. So for today we are doing milling machine, and yeah, this is a milling machine and we are doing our project. So this is my team in milling machine, and say hi to vlog. Sheesh! Sheesh! Say hi to vlog.
Sige, ano ko machine ka?
We're almost done. Hey, look at that. Look at that.
Yeah.
We are done now in our milling machine and we have completed our gear. Sean, let us see this. You see this? This is our gear made by yours truly and company. This is our gear. It's so hot. Ow, ow. Again. So we have finished our gear and this is the final result. Yeah, it's fun, and we did this within 2 hours, so we have fun. So now I got a free time and I have a chance to record my classmates playing their game. This is one. So this is one, our game master. So what is the title of this game?
Mafia.
Mafia? This game is called Mafia, right?
Yes. And the goal of this game is to find the killer.
It's like Among Us.
Yes, that's right.
Among Us, but in person.
You could say that.
So we are watching their game and it's so much fun. Look at that.
Isang adlaw, nakatakat ang tanan sa mall. Tapos, si Riz...
We are the audience.
Wala sa balong,
Do you like this game?
Yes, I do.
Wala niya.
How does it feel? How does it feel that you win? Happy. Do you like this Mafia game?
Yes.
Rate it 1 to 10. How do you rate it?
10.
It's perfect. It's funny. Entertaining. So that's what happened in today's vlog. So they're watching my vlog while I'm closing this vlog. So that's all what happened. We have some fun and see you in the next vlog, guys. Bye bye.